section MCQ series for retail banking and wealth management, and now we are going on with the most probable question series. Most probable means which can be asked in the exam. Right now we are in chapter number 5 and 6, customer requirements and product development. So without wasting the time, let's start immediately, because you also don't have time because the exams are near. Okay. Education is a passport for the future. Basically, remember logic, isn't it? Education is a passport for the future. Without education, you can't have anything for in your future. And second point is, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. Means tomorrow belongs to, if you study today, only then you will be able to clear your JAIIB. Otherwise, how can you be? Okay, isn't it? So that's why follow this very sincerely. Okay, the customer segment whose income level is between 10 lakhs to 50 lakhs is referred to as mass affluent, super affluent, HNW and mass market. What is it called as? Affluent means what? Affluent means the one who is having some rich, means something good. He is having a bit wealthier person. So that is called as affluent. So is it mass affluent or super affluent? 10 lakhs here, amount is not lesser. 10 lakhs means roughly, if you consider having 10 lakhs, then the salary yearly, this is yearly. So 10 lakhs yearly means monthly it is what? Divided by this 12, right? So it is what? Roughly 12 means 12 8 is a, right? Yeah, roughly 12 9 is a 108, 12 8 is a roughly, isn't it? So roughly 80,000. So not a lesser salary. So this person is called as what? Mass affluent. It's here, definitely not a mass market. Okay, mass market is below, let's say 5-6 lakhs. Okay, roughly. HNW, it is a very high. HNW means above 10 crores, 100 crores. These guys HNW. What about these two? Is it mass or super affluent? Super means what? Here, affluent means a bit richer guy, but super affluent means a better amongst these. So this guy is called as mass affluent. Above 50 lakhs, then this guy is called as super affluent. Then you'll say, what is HNW? The HNW is very high. It is not in lakhs, it is in crores always. Okay, move on. Which of the following needs fall within the classification of Maslow's hierarchy of needs? So where does it fall? Falls within this, I think so, it is needs do not fall. It should be do not fall. Do not. Okay, which of them do not fall? So which of them do not fall? Physiological needs, safety needs, social needs, urgent needs. Let me see how many of you have studied. Okay, let's check that, because this is a basic question in Maslow's hierarchy. Okay, so what do you think should be there? Physiological, safety, social, urgent. Okay, let me give you this some details about this Maslow's hierarchy. So this Maslow's hierarchy is a triangle actually. Okay, lower part means it is divided into 5 parts: 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so this is basically physiological. Physiological means base. Physiological. Okay, spellings. Okay, kindly excuse. Yeah. So second is safety. Safety. Third is social, means belonging, they call it, love, belonging. This is esteem. Okay, and last one is actualizations, we call it actualization. So this is very important. Okay, so these are the 5 levels, and generally every human being passes through these 5 phases only. Some pass till actualization, some pass through up to social needs only, some are in the physiological needs only. But these are the 5 needs in Maslow's hierarchy. So what is not there? Urgent, isn't it? There is nothing called as urgent need in Maslow's hierarchy. Okay, customers' expectations of service quality mainly depend on the following. So what do they depend on? Customers' expectation. What does the customer expect? Tangibility in services, reliability, responsiveness, assurance. What do you mean by assurance? Assurance means if customer says, sir, can you do this? You'll say, yeah, sure. That's called as assurance. In fact, that is also called as reliability. Once you give the assurance to the client and follow it, then you become reliable. So this is the part, customer expects this, assurance, responsiveness. Whatever customer requires, you must be able to respond to it. For example, if the customer requires loan, and you are trying to sell him insurance product, that is not called as responsiveness. You must pitch that client whatever that client needs, not what you want to sell, but you have the target. It's not that. Targets will be completed. You sell whatever is needed by the customer. So responsiveness, yes, customer feels that you should be responsive. Whatever his or her needs are, you need to be responsive to this. Respond to this. What is tangibility? But okay, what is the intangibility? See here, there are two words. Okay, intangible. Intangible means which you cannot see. Can you see the air? Can you see the air? Anyone? No. Can you see the service given by the doctor? Can you see it? Service given by the doctor. Can you see the service given by the banker? No. So that is all intangible. But customer wants tangibility in this. How does the tangibility brought in it? Here, it can be brought through cleanliness. Very clean. Your bank should be very clean, posh, very soothing atmosphere. Okay, so that is called as tangibility. Once the customer sees this cleanliness, posh environment, friendly employees, the customer feels this as tangible. So that's why customer will always look for tangibility in services. So the answer is what? A, B, C or D means 1 and 3, 2 and 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. What do you say? Yeah, it is simple now, isn't it? All the 4 are needed, isn't it? Before going ahead, download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app, you will be getting all the premium study materials plus live classes, ebooks, tests, everything. Whatever is needed for clearing JAIIB and CIB, you will get it over here. Okay. ABC Bank has decided to launch a new deposit product with core savings account. Core means what? Basic. Always remember, core name always attaches with the basic part. Basic means very lowest type of account. Okay, like we have that Jan Dhan account, right? Jan Dhan account. So that is basically core. So savings account with the basic with some special features to attract the customers. Under which category of customer needs will the product fall? Security, safety, physiological, self-actualization and self-esteem. Esteem means what? Just now I showed you. Let's see this. Let me show you again. See this. Right? Physiological means hardly he can earn anything to means go on with his living. Safety means a bit higher. He has his own bike. Okay? Has a flat or rented flat at least. Social means what? This person is a bit higher. Esteem means very high. Senior officer. Actualization means much higher. Very senior officer or let's say MDs, owners, all these are. Okay. Yeah. So coming back, this core savings account, basic account will be a feature of what? Security, safety, physiological, self-actualization of esteem. What did I tell you about core? Basic account. BSBD we call it. What is BSBD? The same, right? Right? Yeah. So basic that banking services, right? Bank deposits. So BSBD, Jan Dhan account. So it will fall in which category? Physiological, right? B. I'm seeing these answers also. Some of you have answered this in security safety. No, it's not security safety. It's a physiological because that's the basic account, isn't it? Next is product development process. Next chapter, 6th chapter. Which one of the following statements are appropriate? Means right. Appropriate means true, I can say. Okay, which one of them are true? Customers are different. Needs of the customers are different. Each customer will have different set of needs for financial services. So which one among these is true? 1, 2, 3 or only 1, only 2, only 3 or a combination? So answer is what? 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 1 and 3, 1, 2, 3. What do you say should be the answer? A, B, C or D? Yeah, it is correct. B. All of them. See here, customers are different. So needs will be different. So financial needs will be different. Isn't it? Simple. Before going ahead, subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. In this channel, you will be getting all the free YouTube series. Right now, what are you watching? You are watching the same free YouTube series. Similarly, you will be getting for other subjects as well. So that's why subscribe to this immediately. Click on the bell icon so that you can get the latest videos. Okay. which one of the following statements is correct in respect to product cycle? Now what is this product cycle? Product cycle has 4 stages. Okay, let me show you here. Okay, let me show you like this. It is like this. Okay, so introduction, intro. Okay, then growth, then maturity M, and last one is decline. This is decline. So these are the 4 stages in the life of any product. Okay, so what is the question about this? Firstly, I wanted to tell you what is this PLC, product life cycle. Now we'll see the question, which of the following statements is correct? Okay, in introduction phase of stage of product, the sales volume will be low. Revenue from the products will not be sufficient, means I won't get much sales in this to cover the cost of producing, marketing and servicing. So in introduction means this part. What is this? This is sales. See here, this part is sales and this part is time. Okay, time versus sales. Okay, so sales is, what is introduction? Sales are high or low? What do you say? Sales are high or low? What do you say? Just type high or low. What do you say? Is it high or low? Sales in the introduction phase. Fast. So volumes are low. See, the sales volumes are low. So one is correct. We want a correct one. One is correct, definitely. Okay. So which one are out? See here, B is out because B has only 2 and 3. So that is out. 1 and 3, 1, 2 and 3. Let's see the second one. In the growth phase, which is the second phase in the PLC, sales volume remains stagnant. Stagnant means they remain constant. They don't expand. They don't grow. So is it the case in growth phase? What is it in growth phase? In growth phase, what happens? See, the sales are going up. So it's not stagnant, it's growing. So this is false. I want a true one, right? So 2 is false. So if 2 is false means what? D is out. So now what remains? 1 and 3 only. Let's see third one. In maturity stage, there is more growth and sales volume peaks. More growth, that's okay. Sales volumes peaks. Peaks means what? See, this is maturity. What is this? Is a peak. After this, what is happening? It is going down. So that is called as a peak. So third is also true. So what is the answer? 1 and 3. So what can be the answer? A and C. What is the answer? A or C? Anyone? Yeah? Type fast. C. Correct. So it is C. Introduction volumes are low. Then maturity, it's volumes are peaking, right? Product architecture components include. So what is this product actually? Generic, expected, augmented, potential. The generic means what? Core product. Expected means what? Additional features. Augmented means what? Means what? Additional value, adding value in the in addition to the features. And potential product. So futuristic. So generic, then expected, then augmented. Every customer, whenever you give any, let's say I'll give you an example. You go and buy, okay, we all buy that what? Edible oil, right? We buy that edible oil. Dhara, Fortune, all these brands we buy. Okay. Why none of you, means very, I don't say none, very less of you are buying that oil from that local kirana shop that is having that open oil? He just puts his this what measurement and gives you the oil. Do you buy that oil now? Nobody. Why don't we buy it? Because after all, that is also oil. Whatever you are buying in Fortune, Dhara, everywhere, that is also an oil. So why do you buy that, this Dhara, and not this local guy? Because it's called as adding value, augmented. Okay, core product is edible oil. Additional features means what? They add various features, packaging, good features, exam. Then adding value means they give something. Oh, what? This component, that component is there in this oil. So you mufa, fufa, many things are there, isn't it? So potential means futuristic. So futuristic means these are all current products. Generic, expected, augmented. But potential means which is the future part. So similarly, see here, you can have many examples for potential product. Okay, means for, let's say for example of this internet or mobile. What is the future of mobile? That is a potential product. That's what we have to think. So the answer is this: 1, 2, 3 and 4, all of them, isn't it? Which one of the following products is not a retail asset product? Not auto loan, term loan, personal loans and home loans. Which one? Auto, term, personal and home loans. I would say this term loan business, I will call it. MSME, I will call it. MSME, retail asset, or term deposits. Okay, term deposits it is. Okay, auto loans, term deposits, personal loans and home loans. Retail asset, we want asset. Asset means what? Loans. So what is this? Auto loans, term deposit. Term deposit is what? Is deposit a asset? No, asset. Deposit is a liability. Okay, so this is term deposit. The answer is term deposit. It's not a retail asset product. Okay. Consequent to the deregulation of the interest rates in savings bank account by RBI now, banks can pay, means RBI has given the freedom to the banks, okay, to give their savings rate. It is not fixed by RBI now. So what does it say? You can choose any two. Any interest rate to any customers on any balances lying in the SB account is on the selective basis. Is it so? Means what? This customer is my favorite. I know his family. Okay, he is living near me, so I'll give him higher rate of interest. Is this selective basis? No, it's not allowed. So this is out, right? You can't have a selective bias for any customer, right? What about B? Banks will have to offer uniform interest rates on savings account deposits up to 1 lakh, irrespective of the amount in the account within its limit. So banks will have to offer the uniform rate. Suppose if you are keeping 3.5%. So you will have to keep it 3.5% below 1 lakh for all the customers, no favoritism. So this is possible. So what can be the answer? 2 can be the answer here. What is asked? Any 2. Okay. So 1 is done. What about the 3 and 4? It is applicable in case of NRIs savings deposit only. Means only. See this only. Is this only? Means what is applicable? This part number 2 and 1 means what 2 you can say. Is this applicable only for NRI savings account? No, it's applicable for each and every one. So 2 is there, 3 is out, 1 is out, so we have to choose 2. So definitely 4th will be the answer. But let's see. Banks may have differential rate of interest if so chooses without any discrimination to all such customers of any of its office on savings bank deposit over 1 lakh. So that's correct. Beyond 1 lakh, if some customer is keeping money in your bank beyond 1 lakh, bank can give that customer a higher rate of interest. But again, not depending on the favoritism. Near me, my wife's brother, not that. It is common for all. Anyone who is having beyond 1 lakh, so bank can give a regular interest rate. Suppose here bank may decide. Bank will decide 1 lakh to 2 lakh, I'll give you 0.5% extra. 2 lakh to 5 lakhs, I'll give you 1% extra. Depending on the amount kept to all the customers. Okay. So this is also true. 4th is also true. So any 2 selection, 2 and 4th are the correct one. Now see this. I know many of the bankers don't have time because of this hectic schedule, sales, pressures, targets, right? So what happens is we have done a video course batch. In video course batch, you get all the videos for various subjects of all this JAIIB, all this PPB, IFS, AFM, retail banking, numerical, objective questions, everything covered. Okay, you can join this course. Huge discounts are going on. In fact, you can join this test pack also. How many days? The exams are very near, right? So you can join the test packs. Check your knowledge. I'll show you how to get it. Use the code Y432. See this. Use the code Y432. Discounts are available. Mahapack. Mahapack means 15 plus batches per subject. Okay. So you can join the Mahapack also. Let me show you. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Go to Adda 24/7. If you are having the app, I would suggest go on the app. In the app, what happens? You get 1% extra. See this. Okay. So go to Adda 24/7. Yeah. Click on this here. Go to JAIIB CIB over here. See this. JAIIB CIB. Okay. Click on JAIIB 23. We are in JAIIB, so click on JAIIB 23. See the details. All the details are given. Selection batch. Click on the selection batch. Look at the details. All the details are given. When is the batch starting? What are the timings? What are the dates? Everything is given. So this study material, study plan, that is also given. Now look at the fees. 4999.75. Click on more offers. Put the code Y432. Y432. Click on apply. Okay. Look at this. You are getting 77% off. Such a huge discount. In fact, you are having the app. You can get 1% extra using the coin system. So this is for this revision batch. Similar is available for the video courses also. Let me show you the video courses. See this. Just scroll down. You will get video courses over here. See this video courses. Okay. Click on view all. You will see the English batch video courses. See this English batch. Both are available, English and bilingual. You can select as per your choice. I'll show, because I do take English, I'll show you about English also. Okay. So these are the details. All again, dates, timings, everything is given. Fees, let's say 4749. Click on more offers. Put the code Y432. Y432. Click on apply. See this, 77% off you are getting. Discount is huge. Okay. Go for this. And in video courses, the best thing is you get ebooks also, tests also, and as per your timings. You don't have to attend at a specific time. Okay. So that's why join this video courses, or this, if you have time, you can definitely join this revision batch. Numericals, objective questions, whatever are required is covered over there. Okay. So I'll be back tomorrow with another series. Till then, everyone keep studying, and importantly, join the batches.